Alright, hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Right now I'm here in Kobe, Sannomiya at this place that just newly opened called Ikizo? Ikizo. This is the area right here. They just opened this up. This whole place was under construction for a long time actually, and they just opened it up, and I just did like kind of like a runaround tour in my previous video, and then right now I just wanted to finish up the day just having fun and just making whatever videos around. And I think I might go on the other side, and then I might go into this Namco right here because it looks interesting, but I don't know if I'm gonna play any games because I spent a lot of money today. But I feel it's a lot of money, so we're gonna go in here, check it out, play around, find something fun, and then we'll go into some of these smaller streets and look for something interesting. All right, so they do have a basement floor as well, so we're gonna go in here. Got music playing. This one's pretty cute. I feel like a lot of these Namco ones are a lot easier than the other ones. I think Namco is I think I've won one at Namco. Look at this one. You gotta like pick it and kind of push it real slowly. I think there's like a strategy towards this one. They're cute as well. This cow's pretty cute. And this one. You gotta drop the ball into the hole. Now let's go in the basement. There's a basement floor here. I don't know what it is actually. Alright, so there's more games down here. Here's the place where you take pictures. Really popular amongst young women. They even have like a little makeup area for like putting on makeup and looking at yourself. Wow, this place looks so clean here. What's happening right here? This looks like it's about to come out, but you never know with these. Snacks. Look at this thing. How it cost so much money just to put the look. You know what? In my camera it shows like a pattern, but here you can't see it in real life. It's crazy. Some more claw games, crane games, UFO games. Nice and air conditioned in here. Can you get it? So funny. I think you need to push it with the claw. So I think when it opens, you have to use that power to like push it out. Another toy. I think you really need to spend a lot of money to push these out. Oh. Moved a little bit. Oh, that fan would be nice right now. Close. Very close. Alright, so that was it. Just 2 floors. But yeah, they probably don't want to have too many machines because it's probably not going to make too much money. Let's go through some of these smaller streets here. I think this is kind of where it kind of starts getting a little bit questionable about these establishments. Like this DVD place and pachinkos, they come hand in hand together. DVD shop with an old man outside. Alright, they got some Kobe beef here. Oh, I think I've seen this Spider-Man before. This one, I've seen it on people's YouTube videos. Let's go down here. I think this place is pretty famous. You got Kobe beef sushi. This one's $8 for one. I wonder if I could just go in there and just get one and just like leave. It's like a Spanish restaurant. Look at all these vending machines here. I've actually never been through these smaller streets. It's pretty cool. There's more restaurants on down the street. Oh, that place looks good. Alright, let's go down the other way. That's where the naughty stuff happens. That's why it says 18 and up. I don't know what they do there though. Another 18 and up. Yeah, I don't know what they do, and I'm too cheap to find out. Oh, this one too. Super Sexy Club. I don't know what happens down there either. They're always in like these smaller alleyways. But it smells good here. It smells like beef everywhere. I don't know if it's Kobe beef. That's the Shady Street, where all the shady stuff happens. This place does look so different from daytime and nighttime. It's just so different. You don't even know if it's the same place. Should we go through that alley down there? Alright, we're gonna go through this side first, and then we'll go on the other side. I saw these guys before. Yeah, there's not much on this one. Just like this DVD shop with the glossy windows. It's pretty shady. We'll go down to the next one. It's a cool restaurant here. Chinese restaurant. Yeah, we'll go through these small streets, and then we'll go on the other side across the street. 24-hour DVD. Chinese restaurants. Look at all these lights. It's like a Korean restaurant, but there's no advertising in the front. Some restaurants here. Alright, we'll go down this way. I think that's pretty much it. Another DVD shop. We'll check out across the street. Look at this bar. I don't know if you can see from through the glass, but there's a lot of people in there with no masks. It's pretty crazy. Check out this restaurant. What is this? Looks foreign. Foreign to me. I think it's still Japanese. It's like a meat restaurant. There's not much on this street. I'm gonna snake around this way. Go around the other way. Here's a sex shop. It's a huge one. Alright, here's the main street. A lot of people today. Today is Friday, but oh yeah, I forgot to mention that it's a holiday. It's I believe it's like Marine Day or one of those holidays, but it's Thursday, Friday off, so nobody has to work. We'll go down this street right here. Alright, still got some restaurants here as well. Restaurants and shady establishments. I guess they're not so shady. DVD establishments. It's nice because it looks like everything. It's just like I feel like it's a Saturday night actually, but it's not. Maybe we'll go through here at the corners here. I think on this side is more shady, but it looks like everything is closed. I think things starts to open up at nighttime. Yeah, it looks like everything's closed. This restaurant's closed. I think these are all like girly bars. Except for this one. This one looks like a legit restaurant. Looks pretty good. Man, there's a lot of people inside. Maybe they get a bite to eat before they go to the girly bars. These streets look so dirty. They don't even bother to wash here. All right. Okay. It's pretty cool. Club Cont something luck. We'll go down this way. We'll snake around, and then go back the other way. Look at this place. All these lights. It's a Chinese restaurant. Nobody inside. Oh, there's a few people inside. So much heat coming out of these stores from either the restaurant or the air conditioning. I didn't know there was so much behind here. Yeah, you see all these like bars up here. I think these are all the special bars. Yeah, they're always like stacked for some reason. Like, oh, it's not a Nazi sign, it's a Buddhist symbol. I think the Nazi sign goes the other way. They're everywhere. All right, I think I'm almost done here. My feet is almost done, I believe. You know, I gotta make sure I saw everything. Make sure I show you guys everything as well. Looks like that guy's just coming out of the bar. Some hotels, restaurants. There's some more restaurants there. There's some more restaurants here. Maybe I'll go. I've been down there before. There's nothing much down here. We'll just go anyways. What is this? I think this is sea urchins and raw beef. It looks like sea urchins, or it's just mango. But I think it's sea urchin. All right, we're gonna go down the Shady Street, and then we're gonna snake around. Okonomiyaki. Yeah, at nighttime you'll see girls kind of standing out here in skimpy clothing, and then they try to draw you inside of the bars where you pay to drink with them, but I think it's too early. And oh, it's too early. But right now I don't think they're doing it because they're look at this alcohol store. I think because they're not supposed to sell alcohol after 8 o'clock, but there's a lot of places that are doing that, so I don't know. Alright, some more restaurants on this side. This little dog out here. Got some old grandpas out here, just hanging out. Dog's so cute. It's a hot dog. They have people walking down these streets. Oh, look at this restaurant. It must be good. Oh man, it's hot. You know what though? It's not blazing like it was earlier though. So, all right, did we just walk down here? Oh, we did. Let's go down here. I think that's it. We got a takoyaki shop here. Rose Plaza Amusement Complex. Shall we go inside? Yes, we shall. Oh, there's not. It looked enticing. It's not much of a plaza if there's nothing here. It's just a bunch of restaurants. Probably some clubs in the top. Check out this restaurant. You can just do takeout in that little circle. takoyaki. Oh, it's also you can go in there as well. It's a restaurant. All of them are so packed, these restaurants. I think all of these restaurants should close by 8. Another restaurant. It's like a bar. Alright, I think now we're on the main street. %100% Kobe beef right here. All these people. Alright, so I just want to show you guys the main street. And also too, I haven't been here in a long time, so I wanted to come check it out. Oh, they always have cute dogs here. Let's check these dogs out here. I gotta show you the dogs, right? This dog. How much is this? $5,000. These dogs, $5,000. The white one is $5,000. The darker one is about $47,000. Chihuahua. These are $6,000. These two, $7,000. I thought he was playing with the toy. These are also $5,000. All these dogs are $5,000 and up. They got the ugly cat face. The orange one. These cats are also $3,000 to $5,000. Look at the orange one. Alright, so it looks more lively on the other side of the street, but I just wanted to see here and show you guys what this place looks like. It looks like there's less people here. It is a holiday, so there should be a lot of people here, but I can't believe those dogs were $4,000 to $7,000. That's like pretty much like the price of like 3 used cars. You can buy 3 cheap cars for that type of money. But yeah, here it is. Anyways, I think that's it for me. I'm pretty tired. My legs are worn out. I've been walking all day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and coming along with me to Kobe. And I hope that actually I'll walk this way. Yeah, I hope that you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I've been saying this in all the videos. If you're a good person, you'll subscribe, because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I can do some live streams and get monetized. So please subscribe if you haven't. If you watched this video all the way through, thank you very much. And if you want to get in touch, there's a whole bunch of stuff in the description box you can do. We have Discord, we have Patreon, we have a small community in Discord, so you can have Instagram. So just let me know if you can, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you want to talk to me directly, you can do that too. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.